So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to generate captions for your video with the help of AI and for free. So let's begin the video. So first of all, open any browser available in your desktop and search for ClipChamp. I will provide the site link in the description. You can directly go from there too. Here click on sign in and then click on create a new video. Now let's go to import media to import the video file. Import your video file you want to generate the caption. You can see it has been imported. Just drag and drop in the timeline. Let me show you the video. So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And here you can see this video has an audio but no subtitles. So in the top right corner you can see an option of captions. Click on that option and click on try now. You can also change the language if you want. And then click on transcribe media. Wait for some time to generate the captions. And here you can see AI has successfully generated captions for your video. If you want to change the font, color or size of the captions, just select the caption on the video. Now here you can see you can change the font. There are many fonts available. Just select anyone. You can also change the font to bold. You can also change the text size. You can also change the bold. You can also make the font italic. You can see. If you want, you can also change the font color. Now let's go to the advanced settings. If you want to change the line height, you can change from here. You can also change letter spacing. You can also turn on and turn off outline, and you can also change its color. You can also turn on the shadows of the captions, and you can also change its color too. And after everything is over, in the top right corner you can see an export option. Click on export option and choose the video quality, and here you can see your export has been started. So that's how you can generate captions with the help of AI for free. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.